y'all doing?
Hello everybody, how are y'all doing today? Sorry I was gone for so long. Oh my god, I don't even remember when I posted my last YouTube video. I'm sorry, I was actually not planning on leaving YouTube or anything. It just kind of happened because I am unstable. Anyways, if you're here watching this video, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys like sticking around and seeing what I'm up to, because I know I'm probably one of the most unreliable YouTubers on this platform. So thank you all so much. And to show my appreciation for you, I have a little present. Wait, I'll be right back. Wait. It's Pablo! Look, Pablo, all your friends are there.
I don't have friends, only enemies.
So yeah, as you guys might know, I actually fled the country for like 5 months. I moved to Bali, but I am back again. So I am reunited with my little babies. And I know you guys really miss them because I got so many messages, especially about Pablo, because apparently nobody likes Spooky as much as Pablo.
Well done.
But yeah, they're still with me, obviously. I would never give them up. I just went away for a little bit. But I always go back home to my babies. Oi! Look. I got Pookie too. Oh, baby. So yeah, I'm back in the Netherlands, which means I'll be back to my regular programming, which means I'll be bleaching my hair today. Obviously. I haven't bleached my hair, this is no joke, I haven't bleached it in about 7 months, which is crazy. I did get my hair bleached by a professional. I have a video about that you can look up on my channel, but I haven't bleached it myself in 7 months, so I hope I can still do it. Yeah, as you can see, roots are getting out of control, hair is faded, it needs to, you know, it needs to be better. So let's do that today. Let's get it. 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 Boom, 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 boom. Boop, 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 boop. It's so nice sitting at my like regular spot again. Oh my god, I actually feel so great being here. And I got a whole ass drawer filled with hair dye, so I don't have to like look for hair dye on the other side of the world. Oh my god, this is amazing. Also, let me zoom you guys in a little bit closer, a little bit more personal. Okay, anyways, the plan of today is I'm just gonna bleach my roots, because I don't really know what I'm gonna do with the rest of my hair yet. So I will do that in another video. But maybe, I don't know, like the last time when I think I had like purple and blue hair, I had white roots, it was like a gradient, and it was actually kind of a vibe. So maybe I'm just gonna keep my roots like white-ish. Or maybe not, honestly, it depends. It depends on how good I still am at bleaching. Got my Schwarzkopf Blonde Me bleach. Oh, powder everywhere. God, my lips are so dry. I'm not used to this weather. It's so cold now and my body is rejecting the cold. Let's put on a little bit of lip balm, shall we? A little bit of lip balm. Anyways, what do? We do my hair. I got a bowl, perfect. I got my favorite brush, got some clippy dippies, and my hands. Let me take my rings off because bleach and silver don't mix well together, I'm pretty sure. Wait, is silver a metal? Yeah, right? Because if like bleach touches metal, it will like heat up. You get like a chemical reaction. But it's still, I get it. Is that a stupid question? Do I have to cut this out of the video? I know my hair isn't looking the best, which is so stupid because like this is probably the longest time I haven't done any like terrible shit to my hair, because I haven't really done that much to my hair when I was in Bali. I only bleached it once, and I actually, like I said, I did that at a professional salon, so that was all very well done. I barely used any heat on my hair. I didn't do any crazy experiments or anything, but my hair is still fucked. And you know why? It's not my fault, it's the water quality. Like the water quality in Bali is so bad that if you like wash your hair with like water that's coming from the shower, it actually damages your hair and it makes you lose hair. I lost so much of my hair. It's insane. I feel like I lost like 1/3 of my hair. Okay. Let's mix up some bleach. Bro, look. You see that? It hardened. Oh my god, can I take it out? Wait. Ah! It's crazy. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, it feels so nice and soft. I should probably not do that, huh? 1 spoon of bleachers powderos. Wee wee! Wee! When I got it done at the hairdresser, it took them so long. I forgot how long, but it definitely took them more than 2.5 hours to just cover my hair in bleach. I want to know how long it takes me to bleach my hair, because I definitely do it quicker than 2.5 hours. I feel like I can bleach my whole head of hair. I could probably do it within 40 minutes. And also, it wasn't one person working on it, right? It was like, in total, like, there were at any time there were like 2 people working on my hair. Sometimes there were 3, and sometimes there were 4. Let's see if my scalp can still handle the bleach. Oh, how I miss this. How I miss this. So many people always tell me that I just have to go to the hair salon and get it like professionally done, since I have the tendency to fuck it up. But I don't think they realize the pleasure of doing your own hair. Like, it's just so much fun. It is one of my favorite things to do in the world, is to just fuck around with my own hair. It's 12:50 right now, so let's see how long it's gonna take me to do this. You know what's also funny about going to the hair salon? They did do a very good job at bleaching my hair. Not gonna like take away from that, but it definitely wasn't even. Like, the back was completely white, the top was more yellow. Which I thought was funny, because that like almost never happens to me. And I'm just an idiot in my room. There's so many lumps of bleach in here still. Should probably have stirred it a little bit better. I feel like I might have put it a little bit too far down on my forehead, so let's clean the edges up a bit before I give myself a chemical burn. I actually don't think I ever had a chemical burn because of bleach. Isn't that crazy? Damn, my head must be strong. Okay, front section of my hair is donezo. This took me in total 15 minutes. That's what I mean. This takes me 15 minutes to do by myself. And at the hair salon, I mean, maybe I should like watch the result first before I start bragging about how fast I am. Anyways, let's find a spot where I can do the back of my hair. Hey! Oh wait, microphone. Hey! Okay, so I'm in my beautiful... God, the light's so bright. Can you see me? I'm in my beautiful double mirror hair salon. Big one there, small one there. You guys know the drill. I'm just gonna sit here on the ground like the real professionals do, and I'm gonna look in that mirror to see in that mirror, because that's, I mean, it's just the only way to do it, honestly, if you're by yourself. Oh no, this is actually so bad. That's actually so bad. No! Oh my god! Ooh. Also, I put as you can see, I put some plastic on my hair over here. Oh god, I miss so much hair. Put some like plastic over here. I used to never do that, which is so stupid, because like I fold my hair over on like this side so it's easier to reach, and before, when I like didn't put the plastic on there, I would just bleach like this part of my hair, because it would obviously touch the bleach on the top of my head. I know it's stupid. So now I just protect it, and then hopefully I won't get extra bleach damage on my hair. Okay, this is ready. This, again, I'm gonna mention the time again, because I just wanna let you guys know, okay? Front section took me 20 minutes, back section took me 25 minutes. So yeah, that's pretty quick. I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for, I feel like the front is already developing like so fast, but the back definitely has to sit in there for a little bit longer. So I think I'm just gonna leave it in there for about 40 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then hopefully it won't be too crazy. Okay, I'll be right back. Hey. Quick little update. It's been in my hair for 40 minutes now. Look how much it expanded. Isn't that crazy? Can you see like how high it is? I can like, it all just like foamed up. It's crazy. But yeah, this is the front. I mean, it's being used bleach so you can see, but okay. Front, back. I think it's just time to rinse it out. I feel like the back is probably still gonna be a little bit on the yellow side, but you know what? It is what it is. You know, it is what it is. Also, I will be washing it with silver shampoo. If I have it. I'm pretty sure I have it. Yeah. So I'm gonna rinse it out, wash it with silver shampoo, and then I'll be right back, Rooney. Ooh. Okay, bye. Hello? Hello everybody. As you can see, I washed my hair. And look how white it is. My hair is just, it's like completely white. Isn't that crazy? My hair lifts so fast. It lifts so easily. Honestly, maybe I can use like a lower volume developer now I think about it, because I always use 20. Maybe I can actually use 10. That would like save my hair, probably. Anyways, I don't really know what to do with my hair now. I mean, the gradient, it's not like a nice gradient or anything. I know it looks kind of splotchy, but I do kind of like the vibe of having like white roots and then purple pink hair. But I was thinking of like dyeing my hair just a completely different color, but now I don't really know anymore. Should I like leave it like this or should I dye it? Wait, let me ask someone. Pablo, what do you think I should do?
Leave me the fuck alone.
I'm just gonna think about what I'm gonna do with my hair. Because again, this is kind of a vibe. But also, I do like having like a completely new color. So yeah, I will just think about it for now, and then in the next video you guys will find out what I did. So yeah, this is today's video. Also, yeah, is it like, I haven't really checked, but like, is the front as light as the back? I think it is, right? I think it's pretty even. See? I can do it better than hair salon. Also, can someone tell me why Pablo likes zip ties? That's such a random thing to like. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao.